that I saw your boyfriend walking down the street. He was standing all shaky, hands all sweaty, and he could hardly speak. I might as well take a minute or two to put you on through some game. You got a boy like him, a man like me, and that's just not the same. And never mind an SMS, what you need is a sweet caress. Everybody wanna talk too much, but what you need is a special touch. Ooh girl, wouldn't that feel right? A little dinner with a candlelight. And really when it comes down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, 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 the type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, 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 the type that makes me feel old. Saw your boyfriend walking down the road. He was standing all shook, couldn't even look, and I was extra cold. I might as well take a minute or two to talk about the perks, cause you can't compete with a man like me, and that's just how it works. Look, this comes as no surprise. What you need is an older guy with a little bit of life experience, the right clothes and the right appearance. Ooh girl, wouldn't that feel nice? Hot dinner with a candlelight. And really when it gets down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, 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 the type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, 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 the type that makes me feel old.
Now let's welcome the new president, all the way from Indonesia, to have a speech.
Okay, hi everyone. Okay, thank you. Okay, so for those who don't know yet, right? Okay, my name is Shelby. I've been given this opportunity, so I just want to do my best, and I believe that each and every one of us here will try our best to bring SDC as its best. Okay, so on behalf of the new committee 2015-2016, we just want to say thank you so much for the previous committee members that have put in so much time, so much thought in choosing the next committee, and also for the year 2, year 3 and alumni also, because you've been such an inspiration for us, helping us in everything, guiding us in ways, what Dean say, everyone plays a part. So although we are the new committee, but I think that each and every one of us here is equally important, and even more important because it's we are one whole club, so it's good that we grow together as a club. And I believe that this year we'll grow together more as a dancer, as a person individually, and also as a club. So thank you so much.